Separi le prepara uma futhi umuntu sevuke ngetele umthwepo kanjani
ibuka nje nami futhi le phone ihaphula lonke idalo lasesibingu phela yeah that's true
yeah manje le pasta ususesele noma wenze njani
I think it's a good idea if you guys go back to the class.
impahla le usuyisethile
I'm on it. I'm on it.
hamba phambili wena funa hambe phambili man
Guys, there's a new teacher in town. He's going to be teaching you guys isiZulu. Very experienced, very professional as well. His name is Mr. Mnyende. I hope you guys are going to have a good time with him. In the meantime, I'm going to leave you guys alone for just a couple of seconds. Please behave. He's going to join you guys shortly.
Shems I get done, but fun I don't get it twisted. Give praise to the most high, the boy is up and lifted. Gumpulu keleza, I guess in 20s we catch you flows again. No tata song, cause keep on my fucks like a bugger now. Watching my daughter lick casket in 2020, Rusty Timbendali check per set. But push him carbon.
Sanibona class. Mr. Mnyende. Ngizobe ngithatha for isiZulu kulonyaka. Ngiyathemba ukuthi sizophathana kahle kodwa ngixolele nje kancane 2 minutes. Isimo sokushisa class sithe ukubathi mbe. Kuney'nsizwa engizibona zihleli lapha ngemuva. Sanibona lo insizwa. Engathi ngiyawazi amadoda. Ake nisondele kancane wensizwa. Sondelani. Sanibona wensizwa. Anjo. Buzo ngathi ngiyafanisa. Aniphuzi lapha kaMasibiya. Uba lapha kaMasibiya ezansi khona umama lo bemkhulu.
kaMasibiya lapha ehonje
Mama lo mabele bakhulu.
Uhamba masiya uyumntanga ngamasiko uba umzwa ufuna alala
Mina ngisafunda.
Minier, sure, sir.
Sure.
Uyabona mzuzwa? Usakuthisha besiphuza naye phela. Isport phela lesi.
Bazohlanganisela
Ama-max ihlanganisela. Ablaza izocusha.